1 मार्च 2024. आज सकाळी उठायला जरा उशीर झाला होता. 6:23ला मी खाली उतरले प्री वर्कआउट करून. सो ठरवलं आज फक्त रन आणि वॉकिंग करूया. सो 2 किलोमीटर आउटडोर रन केला. त्यानंतर 1 किलोमीटर आउटडोर वॉक केला. मग पोस्ट वर्कआउट स्ट्रेचिंग आणि प्राणायाम करून घरी पोचले. आज जरा महत्त्वाचा दिवस होता. ऑफिसमध्ये एक इव्हेंट होता आणि त्याचं सरप्राईज आहे, आता तुम्हाला पुढे दिसेलच ते सरप्राईज पाहून मी पण खूप खुश झाले होते आणि तुमच्यासाठी सुद्धा एक नवीनच गोष्ट आहे ही. आज स्मृती मंधाना त्यांच्यासोबत आमची ऑनलाईन मीटिंग होती, जी इंडियन वुमन्स क्रिकेट टीमची व्हाईस कॅप्टन आहे.
I think for like any cricketer would tell you the same thing, that failure is something which teaches you a lot more than successes do. And to be fair, in last 10 years of my international cricket, I would I definitely remember my hundreds or whatever, but I do properly remember the days, when I went through a really tough phase of my career, and what I thought on that particular night, or how I was, or how my body felt. So I think that, and after that especially, I think the way you take it, I think that really transforms you as a player. Yeah, I think switch off button is very important in life. Otherwise, I feel you're drained out. You won't feel like getting up the next morning and do the same thing if you keep thinking the same thing for the whole day.
Absolutely.
Cricket for me was never hard work, which was the best thing for me. I never felt whatever I did with cricket or on the field or off the field for cricket, it till date it doesn't feel like, oh, I have to work hard. It's something which I love doing, and I just feel that if anyone who loves their work or the job, I don't see that they have to think it's a hard work or you're doing something. Definitely doesn't work. If I overthink, I get out the next ball. So for me, it's just about being blank and just react to the ball. So that I just count seats, so that I count seats or just sing songs or just see outside, especially on the non-striker end. Only when I'm on the stance, I'm like, okay, switch on. So it's like a small switch on and off button for me, because too much focus isn't something, I think it's not made for me. The message for me is enjoy what you do. That's the biggest thing. Not only what I do on the field, but I really enjoy all my sessions which comes with cricket. The day I stop enjoying, I think I will be less of a cricketer. So for me, that is the biggest thing, that once you know your passion, you love, are you changing 265, then they were guessing numbers, that some highest score is 260 or 265 something in international cricket, and you want to overpass that. That's your goal in the jersey. There's a lot of...
You're a chai person, then you drink a lot of tea. So what are your favorite foods, Smriti?
Favorite food? So definitely we are most of the times on diet, but if I have to have a cheat meal, it's mostly chaat. I think chaat is something which I can't resist.
आजची एक्सरसाइज ॲक्टिव्हिटी सगळी कंप्लीट झालेली आहे, तुम्ही बघत असाल. सो ऑलमोस्ट 10 किलोमीटर माझं आजचं वॉकिंग झालेलं आहे आणि आता मी झोपायला जात आहे. गुड नाईट, टेक केअर, बाय.